Hey everyone, welcome back to Elite Tech Club. I'm Saeed, and in today's video, we are continuing our JavaScript journey with a super useful topic, assignment operators. In our previous video, we covered arithmetic operators, so basically how we do math in JavaScript. If you haven't seen that yet, make sure to check it out. Links is in the description below. Now, let's dive into how we actually assign and update values in JavaScript. What are assignment operators? Assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. The most common one is just the equal sign, but there are also several shorthand versions which combine arithmetic with assignment. So instead of writing x equals x plus 5, you can just write x plus equals 5. It's cleaner, faster, and very common in real-world JavaScript. Let's break down the most important assignment operators. You don't need to memorize them all right away, but understanding what they do will save you a lot of time when writing real code. Let's code this together, but before we start, make sure you've set up a development environment. If you haven't done that yet, I explained everything step by step in a previous video. Just click on the link at the top of the screen. Okay, let's start. So here in our script file, let's first declare a variable score, which is initially 10, and we want to log the value of this variable after each and every assignment. So initial value, and then the variable name. And here, first of all, let's try plus equals 5, and then again let's log the variable after plus equals 5, and again the variable name. So here we expect it to be 15, right? 10 plus 5 is 15. Next, score minus equals 3. Again, to save some time, let me just copy and paste this line. So after minus plus 3, we log the score, and here 15 minus 3 equals 12. So as you know, here it's equivalent to score equals to score plus 5, and here score equals score minus 3. Don't repeat the comment for the following operations, but yeah, just to keep it as reference. So then score times equals 2, and then again we log this times equals 2, 12 times 2 equals 24. Next, score divided by equals 4, for example, after divided by equals 4. 24 divided by 4 is 6. And finally, score mod equals, again, 4. Console.log. After mod equals 4, the result should be 2. Okay. Cool. Now let's see the output. So I save the file and then we go live. If you installed live server, if not, simply locate the HTML file in your file explorer and double click on that. So here, let's go live. Here we right click on the page and click on inspect and go to the console tab. Here we see the output. So each and every operation and the corresponding result. So initially it's 10, then after plus equals, it turns into 15 and so on. So 12, 24, 6, 2, as expected. See how each assignment operator updates the value of the variable? Super useful when working with scores, counters, and totals, and pretty much anything with numbers. Now let's say you're building a simple game and update the players' points as they collect coins. So first, let's comment out these lines by selecting them and then pressing Ctrl and /. Then we have a variable coins, which is initially 0, and then after the player picks up a gold coin, it will get an increase of 10. So here, picked up a gold coin. Next, they collect, or they pick up a silver coin. And finally, they, for example, hit an obstacle or something, and they lose 2 points. So minus equals 2, lost 2 points for hitting an obstacle. And finally, let's log the total number of coins. So console.log final coin count, and then the variable name. There's also a typo here, not coins. Okay. Then let's save this, and the final coin count, there's also another typo here, is 13. So initially it was 0, 0 plus 10 is 10, then we add 5 to that, it's 15, minus 2, it's 13. Cool. This is a super realistic use case of assignment operators in action. Now it's your turn. Try solving the challenge and drop your answer in the comments below. I'd love to see how you approached it. Don't worry if it's not perfect, the best way to learn is by doing. It's a budget tracker mini project. The goal is to use assignment operators to simulate tracking your weekly spending. Here is instructions. First, you start with a budget of $100. Then you spend the following: $20 on groceries, $15 on transport, and $10 on entertainment. You then earn $30 from a side job. After that, you realize you made a mistake in the entertainment cost. It was actually $12, not $10. And please update your budget using only assignment operators. So that's a wrap on assignment operators. They're simple, powerful, and something you use all the time. If this video helped, hit the like button and make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time here on Elite Tech Club.